Short squeeze season is upon us. We have Open Door Technologies going hot right now. Year to date, it's up from 55 cents, up over 300% in the past 2 weeks. This thing is going crazy. One of the major things, of course, is the high short float. So we're on FinViz. It's saying 21% of the shares are sold short. Short interest sitting at about 20.73%. So it's about the same, almost the same. Insiders own 13% of the company, and there is currently no insider buying. So Open Door Technologies is a prime candidate for short squeezes. Anything over 20% is huge. A lot of shorting happening. As this price keeps climbing, the shorts rush to cover, driving prices even higher. If you guys want to check out this other video I have about short squeezes, I have my top 3 stocks that I think will have a little short squeeze. I totally missed this one. I didn't even know. I wasn't even watching this one, but I totally missed this one. But my top 3 companies that I have on my watch list that I think have a potential to have a short squeeze. Number 1, Lemonade Insurance stock. It's starting to move year to date from a low of 26 all the way to 42. This thing is also highly shorted, guys, so don't forget to check this one out. Yeah, this one has a 28% short float. Just a little bit of good news, and this thing could fly. Number 2, guys, I have Hims and Hers. We saw a little short squeeze happening with this one, but I don't think it's even started. Shorts keep shorting this stock. 35%, guys. 35% of the shares are sold short on Hims and Hers. That is huge. That is an all-time high for the shares sold short on Hims and Hers. Just one piece of good news, and this thing is going to go crazy. And of course, last but not least, we all know what's happening with the last one. GameStop, currently flat. I don't think we'll know the proper numbers of the shares sold short, but 18%. But we all know this thing is getting shorted like crazy. So check those 3 out. But let's go back to Open Door. Currently experiencing a short squeeze right now. Just looking at the fundamentals real quick of this company, there has been no major fundamental shift in the business so far. So this is probably getting fueled by retail traders right now. And once again, the short sellers are getting caught. They're stuck. This thing just went from 50 cents, blink of an eye. This is a momentum-driven rally happening right now. Just a quick look at the fundamentals, though. Third and fourth quarter of 2024 looks like they actually posted some good numbers in third quarter and fourth quarter of 2024, up 40%, up 24% respectively. Earnings per share are up and down, nothing consistent. Profit margins are sitting at 7-8%. That is super low. That means a lot of competition. They don't have a durable competitive advantage. First quarter's cash flow was down, but third and fourth quarter of 2024 were up. Cash flow from operations up 128% and 85% respectively. So they did have some improvements in cash flow. And net income up and down. Latest net income, they posted negative 85 million versus negative 109. That is actually up 22% year over year. So on Twitter, there's a lot of options trading happening for this company right now. Someone just purchased $70,000 worth of call options for Open Door Technologies at a $5 call, expiring September 19th, 2025. Can it hit $5 by that time? Maybe. Huge momentum right now. Over this weekend when we go on Wall Street Bets, one of the most talked about stocks is Open. Lastly, there is a fund manager, Eric Jackson. Let's see if we could find him. He's a founder of EMJ Capital. He's known as the Carvana hedge fund guy, so maybe he made some money on Carvana. But so yeah, this Eric Jackson guy is saying price value of Open could reach $82 in a few years, and the shares should be trading at $40 right now. Some numbers: $5.7 billion in revenue next year, 1.2 net in debt, 559 million in cash. But $82 in a few years? These are just predictions, guys. So, but yeah, guys, Open Technologies, check this out. Add it to your watch list. Either this week, this thing's going to go crazy, or we're going to have a major pullback. In the past month, it's up 300%. No change in business. No improvements in fundamentals. This is a pure momentum-driven rally. Again, one of the most talked about stocks on Wall Street Bets. Retail traders are back. Short squeeze season is upon us. And right now, it looks like Open Door Technologies is the next one. Let's keep an eye on this one. Are you buying Open at these prices? Or is this thing going to pull a reversal? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And we'll see you on the next one.